How to add a bank account to Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to add a bank account to Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add a bank account to Venmo, okay? So just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to add bank account to Venmo account, okay? So now what we need to do is to go to your phone, and after going to your phone you need to go and open Venmo app, okay? Alright, so after opening Venmo app you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do is to click on your profile. Okay, and after going to your profile on Venmo, you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do is to go and click on settings here. Just click on it. Okay, and after clicking on settings, you're gonna find account, create business profile, but what matters to us is payment methods, okay, because we want to add a bank account. So let's just click on payment methods. Okay, and after clicking on payment methods, you're gonna find add a bank or a card. You just need to click on it. Okay, and after clicking on it, you're gonna find a bank, a card, or Amex send account if you have it. So we're gonna choose bank, okay? Okay, so after clicking on bank, you have two options. You can choose instant verification or manual verification, okay? For manual verification, you will need a routing number and account number. So we're gonna go with instant verification, okay? All right, so we need to click now on continue. Okay, and continue again. Okay, and here we have banks, so we need to select our bank. If you didn't find it here, just search for it in the search bar and just choose one of the banks here that you have it. And after selecting your bank, what you need to do is to enter your username and then the password of your bank, okay? So they can recognize that it's your real bank, okay? And after doing this, you just need to verify your identity. You can do it by phone or email or text. Okay, just choose how you want to verify your identity, and after you just need to click on continue. Okay, and after clicking on continue, just click on continue again, and yeah, congrats, you just did it. And now you did it, you added a bank account to Venmo. It's not something difficult, as I told you. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to add a bank account to Venmo. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.